Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to deposit money in Exness from Binance Pay. Let's begin. First, log into your Exness account. On the home page, tap the Deposit button. From the list of deposit methods, select Binance Pay. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. For example, enter $40, then tap Continue twice. A new page with a QR code will appear. I don't have that as my account is not verified. Next, open the Binance app. Tap on Wallet and make sure your funds are in the Funding section. If not, tap Transfer and move your funds from Spot to Funding. After that, tap on Pay at the bottom. In the top right corner, tap the QR code scanner icon. Use it to scan the QR code shown on Exness. Once scanned, a confirmation screen will appear. Tap Confirm, complete any necessary verification steps, and the payment will be processed. Return to your Exness account and go to Transaction History to verify if the deposit is complete. You should now see the deposited amount, for example, $40, added to your balance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.